Go.
Hi, this webinar is called Trading Indices for Regular Income. Why have we said for regular income? The reason is that index trading is a very popular trading mechanism employed by most of the traders because it affords a lot of liquidity, and analyzing the index actually gives you a gauge of the market sentiment. You really get to know where exactly the market is heading. It's heading up, it's heading down. You have the Dow, you have the S&P, you have the Nasdaq, you have the Sensex, you have the Nifty. All these are analyzed to get a grip on what is happening in the market, because a index consists of the most liquid and the most well-defined companies which are there across all the sectors. So it basically gives you understanding of the entire economy of the country, and that's why then trading the index makes it sensible, because you don't have to worry about the stocks volatility. An index absorbs the volatility and ensures that it doesn't get affected too much by any random news. So that's why index trading is very good, and we have designed various methods which will help you understand how to participate, either be it at the entry or the exit, and ensure that you are able to generate profits consistently. So, with not taking much of your time, I would like you to proceed with this webinar and deploy all the methods, because every method is suitable for all types of traders and you can participate and profit from it. Thank you.
Hello there and good evening and a very warm welcome to this webinar on trading indices for regular income, which is being brought to you from Growth Avenues, which is my company. Thank you all for joining me for this webinar, and I trust you will have a decent amount of learning as we go through various methods and various processes related to trading the indices and trying to take some earnings out of the market, which will help us to build a kind of a regular income, right? So indices are traded, I'm sure everybody knows this, but it's possible that there may be a few people here who are probably new to index trading. For their benefit, what I would say is that the most popular or widely traded indices in our markets are the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. The CNX IT is also traded, but the amount of volume that we do get in the CNX IT is rather limited, and therefore the bid-ask spread in the CNX IT is quite wide, making it a little difficult for us to deploy various strategies of a technical nature into trading of CNX IT. So therefore, we shall confine ourselves today to talking about trading the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. And what I have in store for you today, as well as for tomorrow, are going to be two methods each for today as well as tomorrow. And these methods have been chosen from a plethora of methods which are available. I'm sure many of you are yourself engaged in trying to deploy various methods of your own. Many of you may be very technically oriented and probably doing something. Some of you might be attempting to do this. Some of you might be a little new to this entire game and trying to feel your way around as to how to convert technical analysis into trading. Now, analysis is one portion, trading is quite another, all right? So what we want to do here is convert our capabilities of analysis, which we have learned or created as a skill set through our understanding and learning of the subject of technical analysis. And now we want to take it to another higher plane where we can convert this skill into taking up positions in the market, and that as all of us know, or anybody who's been familiar with trading already knows, is an attempt which requires a certain kind of mindset, B, a certain set of methodology, C, certain acknowledgements of the risks that are involved in the market, and most certainly a plan to take up some amount of the profits which may accrue from time to time. So collectively, this is what we call as a trading strategy, and trading strategy is what we shall look at. Along with looking at various aspects of the trading strategy, I will also highlight some of the aspects relating to index trading in particular and trading in general. During the course of this presentation, feel free to post any questions that you may have into the chat box that you have on your screen. I think we had a dry run which was carried out by Raja yesterday, and many of you were in attendance for that dry run. So you all know where to type in the chat. I have my assistants attending this, and they will convey to me whatever questions that you do put up. Just make sure that it is pertinent to whatever is being discussed. So we don't want the discussion which is going on to go off at a tangent. Your question may be valid, but it could still take us away at a tangent, and since this entire thing is at about 1.5 to 2 hours in let's say duration, we don't want to be spending far too much time in chasing down a query or a point of view which might slightly take us away from the subject matter. If you want to reserve your questions for the end, by all means you may do so. We will have some time at the end for some questions and answers. And if you face any difficulty in terms of either issues relating to the audio or issue relating to the video, do type it into the chat. We will try to pause the program briefly to set things right. What we want is that everybody who's in attendance here, and we have a fair number, and I'm happy to see that they are from several parts of India, particularly outside Bombay also. So welcome all of you once again to this Growth Avenue seminar. We hope for those of you who are here for the first time, this is your first experience with the Growth Avenues family, and I trust and hope that your experience shall be an enjoyable one, and that you will want to stay on as a part of the ever increasing Growth Avenues family of friends and clients. With that, let's dive right into the issue at hand: trading indices for regular income. Now, what we are going to be doing today are two methods. One, which is something which flows across all the time frames, meaning somebody who's a day trader can do this, somebody who's an end of day trader can do this, somebody who's a swing trader who can do this. Even a positional player will be able to utilize this method. So I'm going to start with a method which is somewhat flexible or fungible across different time frames, and you can use it the way you want. I will show it in 1 or 2 time frames, but the principles remain the same and the usage remains the same. The results are going to vary. Of course, they will vary. What results you will have in a 5-minute time frame will certainly not be the kind of results that you will have in the let's say 60-minute time frame or a daily time frame. That is self-evident. Also, the parameters in terms of the risks and the rewards, that will also change, but these are things to be worked out by individuals themselves. What I'm going to be showing you is across a couple of time frames so that you get to understand the application and you can pick up maybe a couple of nuances which are related to this particular method. So when I'm switching over to the method, I will switch off the video portion. In any case, this video hogs a little bit of bandwidth, so we are probably better off without it. I'm showing myself to you, so to speak, so that you know you can put a face to the other end of the voice that you shall hear across the next 90 to 120 minutes. And at the end of it, I'll again probably come on to the video, or where necessary, we can always switch back to the video. With that said, let me now, as they would say, go off the air and switch over to the presentation. All right. See you on the other side. Now then, moving ahead, what we will have is a method which we call as the Trident trading method. All right, this is the name that we called it, Trident trading method, and it is a method, like I said, for all sorts of players. And the players can vary from intraday, for whom this method may be applicable across shorter time frame charts, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, particularly the lower time frame. Swing traders who go across more than a day, and as well as positional traders. Now, positional traders will want to take their signals from 60-minute or daily charts. Not that, the 30-minute also you will find, as I will show you in an example, that it will even keep you in the trade for multiple days. So this is a method which is applicable across all the time frames, and the advantage in this is that it will also signal you when not to take a trade. So there is also a no trade, and this is particularly during ranging markets, and I think that's a particularly valuable point about this methodology, that it keeps you out of trouble when the markets are tending to range, and we have certain built-in filters that I shall exhibit to you very shortly, and those will enable us not to participate in ranging markets where false signals are likely to show, and or the profits can be quite limited. So in both those cases, we want to be out of the market and waiting for a fresh opportunity to show, right? So that is going to be the background. Now let's look at what are the contours of this. The contours of it can be seen on this. I'll just give you a moment to read through this. ये सारे जो स्लाइड्स है वो सारे इंग्लिश में बनाए हुए हैं, लेकिन अगर अटेंडीज में कोई हो जो इतनी अंग्रेजी से परिचित नहीं है तो वो शौक से कोई भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. यू कैन टाइप इट आउट इन हिंदी ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट इनटू द चैट बॉक्स. मैं हिंदी में आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देने की कोशिश करूंगा. मैं हिंदी इज नॉट the North Indian Hindi, but I don't think it is too bad. I promise you not to use too much Bombaya language, which is what most of us here in Bombay are used to by way of Hindi. But then I think I should be able to make myself clear even in Hindi. So what we have, Trident trading method, we use 3 moving average systems. Okay, तो ये एक moving average based trading system है जहां पर we are going to be using 3 moving average, and within that one short term moving average is going to be used as a buy or sell trigger, and the other 2 moving averages are going to create a band, and this band is going to define for us and track for us the trade. All right, this is the way it is going to go. So the 3 moving averages are going to be created in a different manner, and I will show you very shortly what they are. The lower band when we are in an uptrend, or the upper band when we are in a downtrend, is used as a stop loss. So इस method के अंदर stop loss is already defined और अपने आप में inherent है, इसी में है. We will also have an additional trading signal, जो यहाँ पर मैंने 5th point लिखा हुआ है, reaction back to the band and a resumption of the trade. मतलब ये केवल रिएक्शन है, रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होते ही द ट्रेंड रिज्यूम्स, और यहां पर जब ये ट्रेंड रिजम्पशन होगा तो वी विल टेक दैट एज अ फ्रेश बाय और सेल सिग्नल. तो इसके जरिए वी विल आल्सो गेट ऑनगोइंग ट्रेडिंग सिग्नल्स एंड हाई और लो ऑफ द सिग्नल कैंडल. ये सिग्नल कैंडल क्या चीज है ये मैं अभी आपको शॉर्टली बताऊंगा. सिग्नल कैंडल is the one which will tell us that the setup is on right now, meaning ये कोई सेटअप है, उस सेटअप का ग्रीन सिग्नल we will get from the signal candle, and we will use the signal candle in a specific way, and this method you can use you can use multiple lots also, and whether you trade one lot or you trade many lots, that is entirely up to you. But you can trade multiple lots because, like I said, this is a trading method where you can go beyond the intraday scenario as well. All right, so this is the background of the Trident trading method, and here is how it looks. Now you can see here various things. Let me highlight this for you. Okay, now you have a red moving average which you can see here. Then you have a green moving average which you can see here. Now the green moving average and the red moving average, these are the ones which are forming the band. All right, the band which I said, this is the one which is forming the band, right? For my friends in Hindi, ये जो रेड मूविंग एवरेज आप देख रहे हैं और ये ग्रीन मूविंग एवरेज आप देख रहे हैं, ये दो मूविंग एवरेजेस है विच आर क्रिएटिंग द बैंड. अब जाहिर है कि अगर कोई भी दो मूविंग एवरेजेस में क्रॉसओवर नहीं होती है थोड़े समय के लिए, then they are typically, most of the time, they are typically moving average of the high and the low. Normally moving average बनता है closing price से. The default setting is always closing price, correct? ये हम बनाएंगे with moving average of the high and moving average of the low. So therefore the red line which you see here is moving average of the low, that is you are using the low as the input, and this is using moving average of the high as the input, not the closing. And the period for both of this is 13 bars. Okay, so this is the 13 period moving average of the low. This is the 13 period 13 period moving average of the high. तो ये 13 बार हाई लो के जरिए हम एक मूविंग एवरेज बैंड कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं. दैट इज आवर रेफरेंस, दैट इज गोइंग टू ट्रैक आवर ट्रेड. और ये जो ब्लू लाइन हम जो देख रहे हैं, दैट इज आवर शॉर्ट टर्म मूविंग एवरेज, जो मैंने कहा था कि दैट विल बी द ट्रेड ट्रिगर. शॉर्ट टर्म मूविंग एवरेज है 5 पीरियड मूविंग एवरेज ऑफ द क्लोज. ठीक है, सो वी हैव 3 मूविंग एवरेज, 5 पीरियड मूविंग एवरेज ऑफ द क्लोज, 13 पीरियड मूविंग एवरेज ऑफ द हाई, and 13 period moving average of the low. The moving average of the high and low will create a band, so there will never be a crossover of these two lines. What will cross over up and down will be the 5 period moving average of the close, and we are going to be using the 5 period moving average to define the trade. चलिए देखते हैं ट्रेड को हम कैसे डिफाइन करें. Wait for the short term moving average to cross the moving average band. यहां पर हम प्राइस क्रॉसओवर द मूविंग एवरेज इज नॉट व्हाट वी आर टेकिंग. क्रॉसओवर ऑफ द प्राइस ओवर मूविंग एवरेज को हम यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. वो जरूर प्राइस क्रॉसओवर ऑफ मूविंग एवरेज विल हैपन फर्स्ट, लेकिन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इज शॉर्ट टर्म मूविंग एवरेज टू क्रॉस द मूविंग एवरेज बैंड. यहां पर आप देख सकते हैं कि वेयर आई मार्क पॉइंट नंबर 1, वहां पर ये ब्लू एवरेज जो है इट इज नाउ ट्रेडिंग अबाउट द रेड मूविंग एवरेज लाइन एंड द ग्रीन मूविंग एवरेज लाइन. तो दिस इज वेयर शॉर्ट टर्म मूविंग एवरेज इज क्रॉस द मूविंग एवरेज बैंड. ओके,